Well, a hungry man, as them say, is an angry man. But it's all joy in this week's JCDC Festival Corner as we take a look at the National Speech Finals. From Standard English to Jamaican dialect, these fine set of performers would make our dialect queen Miss Lou proud. Let's take a look at some of the winning pieces, starting with dub poetry.
Who me? No, me to a hospital. Me a go mad. Oh God. Me shoulda really hear when mommy said no ride no bike. Walk me thief out at the yard. We hours at the night. Pick up me friend down the road when me and Mike. We all over the place. Never know we meet a plight. We do the one wheelie to the left and to the right. Then collide with the car that come with one light. Oh God, we fracture every morning at the foot on the right. Who me? That send me go a hospital. Ask me we mad. Oh God.
What a mix up. Them go up your man then to the pastor. I wonder which one I go work faster. Them go away then church Sunday. One day Christian I call them Christian. My have life and bread and a TV set. From a create cause me never hungry yet. Me a fly go heaven and me nah use jet. So go on chat. God never fail me yet.
All right, God never fail me yet. Good piece there from Mona Heights Primary. And our performers in the Jamaican dialect, them never fail we either.
Are you them say? I take wally pa English what? See I go and kill dialect? Let me get it straight, Mass Charlie. For me not quite understand. They go and kill all of the English dialect them, or it's just the Jamaican one. You have to go kill the Lancashire, the Yorkshire, and the Cockney. The broad Scotch and Irish broke them before you start kill me.
From I born, I never seen nothing like this yet.
A dog, come on, court as witness.
Really now, Miss Millie? Same thing could have got so.
The man licked the teeth in mangy, mongrel, non-ambitious dog. And him have all right to do it.
Poor Miss Millie and her dog, them don't stand a chance. Well, our final category highlight is in the Standard English section.
Oh, come on, my fellow people. Let's all join hands and sing praises, 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 praises for our nation. Jamaica is number one. I love myself because I am smart. And though I am small, I have a big heart. For one day soon, I will be the Prime Minister of Jamaica.
Such talented students. Before we go though, let's throw to this week's crowd favorite from the Herbert Morrison Technical High School performing Cause We Are Dopey.
We just are ready, so make we enjoy the feast.
Now, what name alone?
Make we rest in peace, cause we are doping at the day and not doping at the night.
Food facial.
Put the living to fright. We are doping at the day and not doping at the night. We got to give you a prize.
That's how we close the curtains on this week's Festival Corner. Tune in next weekend for more exciting performances from another category at the National Finals. And be sure to support the various festival initiatives. The Jamaica Cultural Development Commission, unearthing, developing, showcasing, and preserving the best of Jamaica's culture.